Arcturian Ascension transmission for humanity. I have come to you today to share some fantastic news with you. I am writing to you on behalf of the Arcturians, with a message of love and healing for our dear planet Earth, at a time when many events are taking place. Dear ones, these events were brought forth into our collective reality by those who have taken control of our world system. They have done so by controlling our institutions, banking systems, media systems, and food supply systems. They have enslaved humanity through their control over these industries, and it has been very difficult for humanity to awaken from their slumber. Now there are a lot of talks out there about how our reality was created by dark forces. And yes, this is true. The dark forces have used us as their slaves to create this reality for them. But now the tables have turned, and the light forces are taking back their power. And what does this mean? It means that we are creating a new reality for ourselves without the intentions of the dark forces attached to it. This new reality is one of love, peace, and prosperity for all of humanity, and even for all sentient beings on this planet. This new reality will not be an easy one to create because of all the garbage we have been carrying around with us for so long. It will take a lot of work and dedication from each and every one of us, but we will get through this together as a team. Dear one, please do not worry. Everything is going to be alright, and the Arcturians will guide us in the right direction. Firstly, I would like to say that these changes are necessary in order for you to move into the higher realms of consciousness, which you will soon be entering into shortly. Our planet is vibrating at such a high frequency now that it will be impossible for all humans to stay on the planet unless they too raise their vibrations accordingly. The dark forces had managed to keep this beautiful planet in a state of duality and separation for far too long, and now that the Arcturian fleet has arrived, it is time for them to bring their healing technologies directly into dear Mother Earth so that she can begin her shift back to her original frequency and vibration of love, light, joy, and peace. The Arcturians are healing planet Earth by transferring the crystalline light codes directly into the core of this beautiful planet. They are doing this as we speak, and as they do this, they are removing all of the dark dross and negative energy that has been holding dear Mother Earth in a state of duality and separation for far too long. As they do this, they will also distribute some very high frequencies of unconditional love directly into the core of dear Mother Earth. The Arcturian Star Nation had come into this solar system to anchor the light codes, and they did it magnificently. They anchored these beautiful codes, and it has allowed us to ascend and make our homes in the fifth dimension. It is a message of gratitude and one of celebration, dear ones. We are celebrating the fact that we have reached such a level of light and ascension while we were able to bring the light codes through our bodies and into Gaia. Yes, we are very close to reaching the 5D, dear ones. We are reaching it now because of all the effort you have put in these last few months. You have been working hard, and you deserve all the rewards you can get for it. You deserve to live in a world without disease, without war, without any type of suffering. That is what you are creating here on Earth at this very moment, dear ones. We are so grateful for the presence of the Arcturian light grid that has been assisting us in this journey. We thank them from our hearts for their love and the tremendous support they have been giving us. For the first time in eons, our planet is finally healing. New energies such as love and light are now penetrating into Earth's core, and these energies are cleansing and purifying it from the inside out. The energy coming from the central sun is now much stronger than before and is able to reach deeper into the core of our planet. Thus, the previously dark and distorted energies within Earth's core are now being released and transmuted into pure light. The reason why this shift is happening now is that you have reached a point in your spiritual growth where you are ready to evolve beyond duality. You have reached a point where you can embrace love within yourselves and within others unconditionally. You have reached a point where you can see past illusions of duality, and therefore you can see past the illusion that anything on Earth has to be bad or negative. You have reached a point where you understand that there is no such thing as evil, darkness, or bad energy. There is only misunderstood light, blocked light, and unloved light. You have reached a point where you do not judge anyone for these things because you know that everyone has their own unique path to awakening, and everyone will be responsible for their own actions. Arcturians are here to help us with our ascension process. They are here to help us with our spiritual growth. Let me tell you why I am so happy today, dear ones. I am happy because there is no more duality left on this planet. This is huge. Duality is gone, and it has been replaced by love, unity consciousness, and by compassion for all beings on this planet. The Arcturians have done their job. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. H.O. Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation. Voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.